Hi friends, Amber here again. So excited to do a design on the fly with the June Potomac bead box. Hopefully you got to see my unboxing, and I pulled out these things. So I started the process a little bit. I was thinking I want to at least try using these items here. So we'll see how that goes and we'll go from there. Okay, so whoop. We have these, I'm thinking earrings. That's why I like making earrings. So here I chose the lever backs. And then I chose, they have such great quality stuff. So here's the Potomac beads lever backs. All right. And I think somehow we can incorporate, make them very beachy. Incorporate our little starfish here. What that looks like, I'm not quite sure. Maybe we can hang it off of it like that so we get the effect, because this bead is top hole drilled, so we have to kind of work with that. I don't think it'll work being on top. Then I don't, oh yeah, we'll keep playing with it, or maybe not at all. Definitely want to use our mermaid glass here. How fun is this? So I need some scissors to trim up our mermaid glass. Where did my scissors go? I don't know where my scissors went. Well, I found a pair, but not the one I wanted, but oh well. It works just the same. So we'll move this box out of the way. There's the Potomac box. Move that out of the way. Give us a little bit more room to create here. Definitely want to use some mermaid glass. And I thought this color is really pretty too. I like this seafoam green. Let's see. So I think, well, I have this box here. So I either need, I think we'll do this. We'll use my new wire from Softflex. You certainly can get this craft wire at Potomac as well. So we'll use some crafting wire. Okay. And then that allows us to have more play with the ending and sticking all that stuff on there. Trying to get my tools over here, and they're not wanting to cooperate. There we go. All right, hopefully this, I can see what I'm doing. There we go. Couldn't see what I was doing. Sorry about that. So I was playing a little with these guys to try and figure out. In my video, they look really blue, but they're definitely more turquoisey or green than you guys are seeing, at least from what I can tell. So we need at least 2 pieces of wire. This is 22 gauge wire. I like 22 gauge, and we're going to, when I rub my hands against it, try and help warm up the wire. Makes it a little easier to bend. So figure out, I'm going to make a wrap loop a little bit of the ways around. I'm not going to close it up yet because I want to add in, see if this bead will work in here before I wrap it, and then also my charm. So it should be interesting trying to wrap this with that stuff on there, but could always bring in another piece of wire and do that, but if I can do it all in one sweep, I want to. I like to. Do a messy wrap loop here. When you get wire, you want to get it coated, non-tarnish. That's my favorite way to get it. So that's what we got so far here. Do we put the mermaid glass down first? If I can find the hole. Or do we add in one of our seafoam green pieces first? Oh yeah, add that in first. And then the mermaid glass. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then another one of these. What do you think, friends? Whoops. There we go. Very simple, cute little beachy earrings. Very fun. Not focusing very well here, but that's okay. Focusing down here. There it is. There it is. Oops, that's sliding up. I just haven't. All right, so we're going to make another wrapped loop. And go over, turn it around, talk through it, and then I kind of straighten it out, so, and then wrap it around. Hopefully you guys can see that. That one's a little better than my first one, but that's okay. I was trying to add those other pieces in there. So let's straighten this head out a little. There we go. We'll cut off our excess. Make sure we get this laying down so it doesn't poke anybody. Make sure the end is in. And then these should open up. I see it. It's hard to, but it's focusing on everything below me. But it is there. So it's like a jump ring. Just back and forth, not up and down. And then you put your earring in the way you want it. And there's one done. My camera's having trouble. Sorry, folks. Not sure why. Maybe, oh, there we go. That's a little better. Moved a little closer. Now we're going to make another wrap loop that we can add our beads into. I want it to be a little bigger so both of them will fit in there. It's harder when you have the beads in there trying to hold it together. And these are needle nose pliers that I'm using right now. Love them. Alright, we got our front piece on there. Now we just need to copy our top. So far so good. Another wrapped loop here. Gotta go down a little further. computer paused. Hopefully you guys can still see me as I type in my password again. Don't know why this happens. There we are. Sorry about that. And there we go, folks. And that is another wrapped loop. We just got to trim off our extra wire. Make sure you always cut away from your face. Or you could end up with wire in your face. Get that metal piece down and then find out where our front is and put it on the lever back. And there you have it, folks. There are our design on the fly earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Don't forget to join Trish and I at our Friday Bead Along with Friends, and watch for my unboxing videos and DIY videos. All right, have a good one.